I think I'm a crazy woman. I mean, how else do I explain all the erratic decisions I've made this year? Saying goodbye to my home country, moving to a new one, almost immediately starting a lifestyle I know could potentially fail, and investing my heart and resources into making it happen. Do you see why I'm convinced Suman and I share the same ailments? Well, the good news is I'm not crazy enough to forget that I'm a solo female who would be endangering her life living in a space so vulnerable. So this time, I made a not so erratic decision of turning weakness to strength, switching glass to metal, and intentionally mitigating my perils. So today we are transforming Daddy from a vulnerable old man into a metallic, fortified daddy, sugar daddy, by removing those windows that could break at any time and turning them into something much better, and that's metal. And that's what I'm trying to do with Daddy today. That's where I am right now. Let's go meet Daddy.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
We started by removing all the windows.
And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I.
Then we removed the cracked windscreen.
Slow it down. Come tell yours if you want it. Treat the light, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes.
We measured the windows against the metal sheets. Then the cutting began.
Reel me in to get it going, open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I f***ing hate it. Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stick.
Is that the size?
Yeah, that's the size.
But it looked bigger.
Yeah, we are still going to trim it.
Oh, okay.
Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. No, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me. Give me something.
Hey, wahala.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Pole sana is very sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, very, very.
Something like that. Direct translation. Sorry, very, very.
Been to the top of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best. Lot of good it did for me.
While we turned Daddy into a standing armor, Bades Kimani came visiting.
Walked till my feet were sore. Came home to Carolina.
We now want to trim the iron sheet into the shape of the glass.
Oh, okay. Mr. Jack, is there a problem with it?
Yeah, there's a problem.
What's the problem? Oversized.
It's small size.
Too small.
Too small.
Oh, shit. What do we do now?
We are going to cut another one again.
Oh my God, okay.
You always film everything.
But when you now watch the video, do you see everything in the video?
No.
Exactly.
So I should not complain.
Exactly. Cutting and resizing went on until the day ended. Why? What is this on your fingernail? That red one?
This is just a marker pen.
A what? A marker pen. Oh, okay. The next day started by pretending to be a good day. And suddenly, the day stopped pretending. That small fall led us to the hospital as the grinder cut his upper lip open and there was a lot of bleeding. Thankfully, it wasn't so bad that he won't be okay. Today I'm going to meet Daddy and we are going together, of course. You already know. I'm sure that they have already done some things because I had to tell Mr. Jack to start working until I get there. Yeah, so wherever we meet them is where we would start filming from. But what they are basically doing is putting the iron sheets on the van and welding them on the van. Yeah, I don't even know how that's going to work anyway, so I am eager to see it as well. Let's go.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely, losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see, bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down, just go on.
We are going to put silicone on the edges.
Okay.
Yeah, on these edges, just to avoid leakages, something like that. And then on the outer part, we shall use filler to fill the gaps that maybe are there.
Okay.
Then we paint on top of it.
Okay. So if you've enjoyed watching this video so far, would you consider liking the video and subscribing? That's where YouTube is going to recommend my videos more, and then maybe one day I'll become rich and famous enough to make better videos for you. They brought the new windscreen and we started measuring it against the van.
Because the glass that we have is overlapping on the roof, so we want to cut the edge here so that we can make it. So after cutting, we are going to hit it with the hammer so that it can widen a bit, to have space for the windscreen.
I'm done praying for you. As this mic on, have to break the silence, 'cause words are stronger than all the lions. I let you kiss me if you say you miss me. I just wanna feel alive. So suck it up if you can't ignore me. I live alive. You should record.
While we worked on the windscreen, the welder added metal rods to support the metal sheets.
You know better than the life you're wasting.
So we are going to add metal as thick as this,
Yeah, as thick as this.
just so that the glass would fit in.
Glass will fit in. On the edges of the glass now, we will have something like a molding.
Okay.
But that will come after we are done.
Okay, so tomorrow we would insulate the metal sheet that we have just attached, but for now everything that is being installed, okay, so this glass thing and the windscreen that is being installed and the things I'm going to put with the windscreen and the things we have already done at the back, I feel way more secure than if I had remained with glasses, with the window glass, and then been stuck with that would have been so hard. So right now, even if there is imminent danger, yeah, I know that it's not going to come from the windows, at least from the windows in the house. Even if there is imminent danger, then it's most likely to come from the windows in the car, but not the one of the houses, because I don't have windows. They completely distorted Daddy to weld in the metal sheets.
Kio urefu hapa unajua ndio hatujui. Vile kio ya. Hiyo ndio inakukura kitu.
Then he started hitting the metal to the shape of the van.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along.
As we measured and welded, we tested the windscreen against the van.
In my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th.
So they say everything about van life takes so much time, but I never thought it would take this much time, because one thing takes a long time, and I'm wondering, when am I supposed to finish this? Because the initial plan was to finish this by December and then get on the road by December, because I have to spend my Christmas and New Year just traveling. But with the way everything is going right now, I don't think I'll be done by December, and that's going to make me sad. I hope we finish this November, because I really can't wait to get on the road. Yeah, let's go back to this build.
One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should.
We kept welding and testing until it was too dark to continue. What? We started the morning by applying some filler to the metal.
Hi. I'm good, and you?
Fine. Why are you wearing a mask? Okay, because of this.
Yeah.
The filling continued for a while, and then the painting started. It was time to apply the silicone.